Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a Christmas song, lead a Christmas song for the November club night. Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, which is, I reckon, is the best Christmas song on the uke. And it's really got maybe the best chord progression of any song I've seen on the uke. There's a few things to spell out. There's some funky chords there. Diminished chord is that jazz chord. It's quite tricky, and you probably have to practice forming it before you have a go at it real time. So it's 4-5-4-5, and you can slide that chord obviously. So 4-5-4-5, and you need to practice it in the context of the flow of the chords in the song. And there's an F major 7, and that the version here is 5-5-0-0. It's down there. Nice sounding chord as well. So I just wanted to run through this strum because it's kind of a bit varied throughout. So let me just show you how I'm playing it and suggest that you do too. It goes like. Have yourself a merry little Christmas diminished. Let your heart be light. And again. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Diminished again, and so on. The same. The last line of the second verse is a little bit of a slide up in the vocal. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. And then into the bridge, it goes a bit of a staccato. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who were dear to us, gather near to us once more. Diminished. Kazoo, mouth trumpet, whatever you want there. Back into the same bridge again, back into another verse, and at the end goes, I'll play it into the end. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Nice jazzy ending. Alright, hope that's enough for you to give a good crack at it. I think it's a really lovely song on the uke. And we'll run through it on the club night, and there's back stuff. Okay. So yeah.